In this video, we will learn how to prepare caps using the grinder. See here how the dal is grinding in the grinder. See carefully how to prepare the caps. Continuously it is running. See most carefully how to prepare. See, it's turning. It became the shape of a cap. Now slowly the shape of the cap is removing. Wait, it is trying to remove. The cap came out, but again it started grinding to prepare another cap. See, and started the process again. See how the cap has started again. Oh, the mold has prepared. Now, wait. It is cutting the edges. Yeah, it came out. Yay! Hope everyone enjoyed preparing the caps. If you like this video, share it, subscribe it and like it. Thank you friend. For more interesting videos, keep watching this channel. Thank you.